Hello YouTube. So there were a lot of people who were asking me how did I fix the Pro X visor. So it's been long that I did not make the video. I'm really sorry about that, but here we go. So as I told you in the below comment sections that you get a three way clamp basically. Okay, so the two of which goes on to the Pro X visor. All right, so both over here and both over here, and the other one that is fixed is simple as that. It's fixed on the handlebar over here, as I told you in the previous comments, that you just need to unscrew this one and screw it back on both the ends, and that's it. Both when these are clamped and this is fixed off. All right, so if you have any other doubts, just drop a comment in the section and I'll just review it out. All right, thank you so much for watching this video.